Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, Quintus has sent me some outdoor string lights, and these are 39 foot, and there's 30 bulbs plus 3 spares, and they're waterproof patio lights, and they're warm white LED globe Edison style string lights, and they're like a bistro sort of light. They're really, really cool looking because inside there's like 5 little tiny LEDs, and they're packed inside the bulb, and you can see the copper wire go from one bulb to the next, and it looks really awesome. They're like almost like a pixie light inside, and yeah, I think they look really, really cool. I can't wait to use these actually, but these are really cool for around your gazebo, your porch, a wedding. Our neighbors are having a wedding next door tonight, and actually they're out there right now. Okay, so they've got 3 sizes here. They've got a 32 foot with 30 bulbs, that's $40. They've got a 39 foot with 30 bulbs, which is $46. And then there's a 58 foot with 50 bulbs, which is $64. So yeah, they're LEDs, they're indoor, outdoor, and they're waterproof, weatherproof. They're IP65 weatherproof for that. So these are low voltage, they're not linkable, and they're not dimmable. And the other ones that I got were shatterproof, they were linkable, and they were dimmable. So this is a different animal altogether. And the bulbs are 3.3 volt, 1 amp. And that's about all I really have to say about them. That's all the information I have. Let's have a look. Inside the box, we have a little bit. This is how they come packaged. And take these out. They're all stuck in styrofoam. Okay. I don't know, that seems pretty good. So they're stuck in the styrofoam here. And then it comes with a little power supply at the end. Right? So, oops. And they come with 3 spare bulbs. And this is what the bulbs look like. See, they have the wire inside. You can see the LEDs. So these are pretty durable, but they are not shatterproof, okay? And just so you know, they are made out of glass, so they can shatter. But, just what I showed you, they're reasonably strong. So, as they have little hangers, so you can hang these, like say from your eaves trough or something. You can just clip that on over top of something. And run these along the fence here. We're going to use a cable stapler. We're going to staple all these up. So this one's going to be the trickiest. Okay. And okay. So, I'm going to staple these close to the bulb. Alright, so here's the lights on the back deck. I've run them along the fence line. This is what they look like. Hopefully you guys can see them. So, they look really cool inside, and I'll see if I can catch the essence here on how they really look. Each light's slightly different because the wires are just kind of like haphazard inside, which is really cool. They've got more of a yellow light. Most of the other LED lights are more of a white, and this one's very yellow. So very romantic, bistro-like, old school sort of lighting. Really cool for the patio. Yeah, so I really enjoy these. I wish I had more of them actually. I think this is my favorite one that I've seen so far. Alright, so final thoughts on the product. I really liked it. They came boxed nicely. They were easy enough to install. I used a cable stapler, and I'll show you the cable stapler. The cable stapler has a rounded part here that goes around the cable, and it holds it in place while it staples, and the staples go around the cable. And that way it protects the cable and holds it up. And you can get these special staples to go with that. Okay, and these ones that I used are 10 millimeter or 3/8. So the lights look amazing, and they really add to the rear porch that we have. And they're easy to use. They just plug in. They are low voltage, so you can't link them together, which is unfortunate. So if that's a consideration, there's other lights that Quintus has. I've got another video on other lights they sent me that are totally linkable. But I really love the way these look. So they're more of a yellowy glow instead of a whiter light. They've got more of a romantic ambiance to them than some of the other lights do. So I really like that. The only downfall is that these ones aren't shatterproof. Okay, they're durable, but they're not shatterproof. So be careful when you put them up. Don't let them bang against stuff in the wind. They have to be set up so that doesn't happen. Alright, so that's my final thoughts on the product. If you look in the description of the video, I will have links for where to get them directly from the manufacturer or from Amazon, and there's a discount code for Amazon. Okay, so just look for that in the description, and thanks for watching.